Hello, every me, every you, and everyone! So it's another day, another ukay-ukay OOTD for today. Tsakto man to? Basta tsakto to. Ooh, I saw a lot of new dresses here ha. I'm gonna use this one of these days. Apaka-OA. Pero this is not ukay ha, and also the other stuffs here are not ukay. But today, what am I? Huh? What I am going to choose is this red dress na my favorite of all time. Yes. And this one ba? Di ko alam. Di ko sure kung ito nga ba yung gagamitin ko. Pero let's try it on. Yan ba? Yan ba yung effect niyan? Yan ba? Oh, parang mag-dance-dance ako nito ha. Pero malalaman natin sa end product because the means does not justify the ends. Ay, the end just not justify the means. Basta ang gusto ko lang ipabot is kung anong pinili ko dito sa closet na ito is hindi naman na yun yung gagamitin ko talaga. Pinapakita ko lang talaga sa inyo na kumukuha ako dito. Hindi naman aking closet to. Pero ngayon talaga is yung OOTD ko is fresh from the ukay-ukay talaga. And yeah, you've seen me wear this naman before, but I'm going to wear it again with a transitionism. May pakuha-kuha pa ng scarf. Mag-scarf ba ako today? Malalaman sa final video. So, yun lang naman. So, ito na nga yung result sa discussion.